Hi, I'm Kendall McGuire, professional singer in the Tampa Bay area of Florida. And today I'm going to give you some cures for lost voice. One of the most frustrating and discouraging things as a singer is not being able to sing. Sometimes this is from overuse, too many late rehearsals. I would encourage you, if you have lost your voice, to take it easy, get some rest. Really, singing is a physical activity. You need to really take care of your body. Some materials you'll need to help get your voice back is vitamins, water, maybe some tea, warm salt water, lemon, and regular cold or lukewarm temperature water. So first of all, you could take some warm salt water and actually lean your throat back and gargle it. And this will help to relax your vocal cords and soothe your throat if it's rash or irritated. Another thing you can do is take the lemon, squeeze it in lukewarm water. Instead of cold water will actually tighten up your vocal cords. So you'd want a relaxing, lukewarm, room temperature water. Squeeze the lemon into it and sip on that. Sip on that. Too much of the lemon will cause an acidity, which could also irritate your cords. So be gentle. They're very fine little fibers, so you've got to really treat them well. When you've lost your voice, even if you can only talk a little bit, do not use your voice at all. What I've done is I've actually made a little button, and you could do this too, and you stick it on your shirt and it basically says, "I'm on vocal rest." And so whether it's 2 days or 3 days, do not speak at all. If a person's curious why you're not speaking, you assure them that you're not being rude by pointing to your "I'm on vocal rest" button. If you take singing seriously, then you really want to do what's best to not harm your vocal cords. Remember, no whispering. Some people think, "Oh, I'm talking softly, but what you're doing is actually putting more tension on the little vocal cords that are already hurt and overworn out. Remember to drink lots of fluids that will flush out your system, that will cleanse you, that will get your body back in good shape. And take your vitamins. Take your vitamin C, take your garlic, take your zinc, take your echinacea, take your multivitamin, and get your body back in working order so that you can begin singing again, so that you can begin performing and practicing and using the voice that you love. Sometimes a benefit of being on vocal rest is you'll develop a deeper appreciation for singing, so that when you come back, you'll be able to really give it your all with a new strength and refreshed vitality. I'm Kendall McGuire. Thank you.